Hello Baguio, good morning. Here's my view today. Good morning. See, ang ganda ng view, no? Pero maaga tayong papasok. Bye. Guys, papunta na tayo sa sakay ng jeep and I think makakaabot naman tayo. We're too early, not that early, parang it's almost 6 a.m. so parang sakto lang, pero masyado tayong maaga sa school because 7:30 naman ang class. Then malamig ngayon. Baguio is so cold today. Fuck. Parang wrong outfit ako ngayon. So, malamig. Hindi siya malamig na malamig, but it's still malamig. So, yeah. So, masyal tayo with our book. Hi. So, I have this book. Actually, nabasa ko na to when I was younger. But babasahin ko siya ulit. The reason why I'm so interested to read this because I feel I'm not effective anymore. And naaalala ko dati, I have my mentor. Binabasa niyang paulit-ulit yung 7 habits of highly effective people. Until he was able to get his goal. Until naging successful siya. Though, hindi na kami nagkikita ng mentor ko. Naaalala ko pa rin siya in terms of this book and yung mga teaching niya. In fact, wala na siyang update sa akin kung ano na yung status ko sa buhay. But one thing is for sure, I will do my best to be successful someday. That's why I'm reading this book. So, samahan niyo ako sa Baguio habang dala-dala ko to and mamamasyal ako with my book. Kalingat pero dito na tayo. Eto ate pati eto.
Hi vlog! Welcome to my video.
Ano to? Anong day to, kuya?
Hi guys. A day in the life of
Student nurse.
student nurse.
Ito si Doc. Sama natin si Doc.
Norman!
Tapos na ang class, second subject na ay di ko alam kung may RD.
Hopefully wala. Hopefully wala ka.
Sana walang RD. Tapos biglang nag-RD. Paano tayo?
Doon tayo na sa...
Hi, Ira.
Shout out sa'yo. Dami ko ng exposure dyan ah.
Kita kami ng shawarma in blooms.
Kaya mo kami dyan, kuya. Talent ko, mahal. Wala yan, talent ko.